How accurate is solar modelling, and should you trust it to make a 25-year investment? After 15 years of doing solar installations, I have the data to answer this question. In 2011, MCS modelling predicted 52,070 kilowatt-hours per year of generation for this perfectly south-facing system. So how did it perform? In 2013, it generated 52,158 kilowatt-hours. The model was within 0.1% accuracy. In its worst year to date, it generated 90.7% of what was expected. In its best year so far, it generated 105% of what was expected. That was in 2022, which is 10 years after installation. And panel degradation? Well, that seems to be non-existent. After 12 years, it's performing nearly as new. This North London system was expected to generate around 14,900 kilowatt-hours per year. The average output over 10 years was 98.8% of the model's prediction. The best year was 7% above expectations. Again, panel degradation doesn't appear to have any notable effect. Over 10 years, this small 4 kilowatt system in Taunton has generated on average over 6% more than MCS's modelling predicted. 10 years on, in 2022, it generated over 7% more than what it was expected to generate in the first year. Looking at how accurate the model is at predicting how a system will perform on a month-by-month basis, it appears to be incredibly accurate for 9 out of 12 months. November and December do, however, consistently underperform, generating only 75 to 88% of predictions. So, can you trust MCS modelling? Yes, and this is not a scientific test, but the panel degradation seems to be having little to no effect at all. Check out my recent case study series where I document a client's solar journey from inquiry to installation. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more insights into solar performance, return on investment, and the different technologies available.